Up to the ding ding dong day. Up to the ding ding dong day. Up to the ding ding dong day. Up to the ding ding dong day.
Plan is to turn this motorized quad bike into a motorized Esky powered by Milwaukee batteries. First, let's see if this quad bike works. Oh, there we go forward. Pretty quick. Oh! That was awesome. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. The motor actually has a bit of torque, which is what I was worried about, getting bogged. Now, time to interpret the Esky into that. It might look like I've made a bit of a mess of it, but don't worry, I've got a plan. So far, so good. This is what we've got for the day. The steering wheel seems to go right. So this is the steering wheel, original steering wheel. I think it's gonna be really awkward, and going off by the commercial made motorized Eskys, they have more of a straight steering wheel like this. So I'm gonna steal this one and sacrifice my old scooter. Doesn't work really that well anyway, so it's gonna get chopped. How gross is this? I don't know if you can see that. I just found the biggest hairball wrapped around the wheel. Gross, gross. Be gone! Yeah. Alright, check this out. Hey, not bad, eh? Got there in the end. And this is adjustable. So I'm just doing the wiring, and I've noticed that the Chinese translation for throttle to English is called turnaround. Nice, good one. See how she goes.
Wrong way.
Backwards. Oh no! I don't go backwards! I have to wire up the other way. Oh. Damn it. Now I have to reverse everywhere. Well, there's a problem. I've wired it up some. I've done some wiring. Maybe this. Oh.
Should I stop? Should I stop?
I guess I'll go backwards. Can't believe I go backwards. We'll have to change the wiring. Well, that issue was a very easy fix. All I did was switch these two wires around out of the plug, and it should be good. Local. Hello, hello. I've got an Esky on here for you in here. It runs off Milwaukee batteries.
Oh, Jesus.
So yeah, that's good.
Got any beers to put in there?
Huh?
I'm not giving it more.
Find anything fun?
Definitely don't want to be drinking on that.
Oh yeah, no, we'll do that.
Don't drink and drive.
No drinking and driving. See you later.
Have a nice day.
You too. Alright, just back from the bottle shop. It's probably, this Esky's probably one of the funnest projects I've done. Definitely recommend it if anyone wants to make a motorized Esky. It's also great for fishing as well.
Whoop.
That's a Profi beer. That's one, against, I guess. Watch my other videos. Thanks for watching. Whoa!